Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making crispy buffalo chicken potato skins. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need russet potatoes, chicken tenderloins, bacon, chives, Kobe Jack cheese, butter, buttermilk, flour, cornstarch, olive oil, buffalo sauce, salt, seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and parsley. Season chicken with seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika. For the marinade, combine 2 cups of buttermilk and 3 to 4 tablespoons of buffalo sauce. Season the marinade with seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Pour marinade over the chicken. Cover and refrigerate for 4 hours up to overnight. Poke holes into the potatoes with a fork. Coat the potatoes with olive oil. Season with salt. Preheat oven to 400 degrees and bake potatoes for 60 minutes or until fork tender. Chop bacon into strips and fry until crispy. Chop up some chives, shred Kobe Jack cheese, for the breading, combine 1 cup of flour and a half cup of cornstarch. Season with the same seasonings used for the chicken. Remove the chicken from the marinade, coat in a dry batter, and allow to rest for 10 minutes. Slice the potatoes down the middle and scoop out the insides. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a bowl. Season with seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, and parsley. Brush the potato skins with the oil. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Fry the chicken for 4 minutes or until golden. For the buffalo sauce, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 cup of buffalo sauce. Simmer for 5 minutes. Toss the tenders in the buffalo sauce. Chop up the chicken. Top the potato skins with buffalo chicken, Kobe jack cheese, bacon, and chives. Bake for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Drizzle ranch over the potato skins. And there you have it, crispy buffalo chicken potato skins. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.